Case Study 1. Traveling abroad and doing business in Europe. Background. The challenges of cultural difference in business practice across Europe, including cultural misinterpretation, communication formality, and diverse dining etiquette, language challenges, and adapting to local customs. These issues can lead to miscommunication and conflicts and hinder successful business relationships. Understanding and preparing for the cultural nuances is crucial for smooth interpretation and avoiding misunderstanding of preparation can lead to missteps in professional interaction and hinder successful business relationship. Problem. As the company business is becoming more international in its operation, the need of diversity in company culture is becoming a problem of working conditions in the international business operation. The reason for this is because the product output of the overall company operation are affected by the working cultural conditions of each region around the world. Alternative solution. A. Standardized global work policy because they ensure consistency while allowing regional flexibility. B. Conduct regular cultural awareness workshops because they reduce misunderstanding and improve teamwork. C. Assign cultural regions in key regions because they can mediate and address cultural conflict effectively. D. Local risk management strategy because they align with cultural expectation and improve productivity. Best solution. The best solution is better be because to address cultural difference, conducting regular cultural awareness workshop in an effective solution. This workshop help employees understand and respect diverse conclusion practice, reduce misunderstanding and improving collection by including real-life scenario and conflict resolution technique. The training equips teams to work more effectively across culture. Conclusion. The problem of cultural difference in international business operation can impact productivity and collaboration. To address this issue, implementing regular cultural awareness workshop is a practical solution. This workshop educates employees about diverse cultural practice, fostering mutual respect and reduce misunderstanding. Therefore, by promoting cultural understanding, organization can improve teamwork, enhance global operation, and ensure long-term success.
Case number 2, the sunshine flavor. Background with the sunshine flavor is sunshine flavor, a food, beverage, or flavoring companies manufactures product using a natural ingredients without the artificial additives. They provide a catalog and a playlist highlighting their quality and a new edition. Le Gourmet du Poitou S.A. A French company offered 213 items without our natural ingredients and offer customer assistance. The aim is to encourage others while emphasizing their high quality and reasonable pricing. And the next is problem. Problem of the sunshine flavor is the latter lack specificity on the unique selling point. including a natural ingredient and no artificial additive, and lack the clarity on crash and snip samples. It also lacks information on the delivery time, minimum order quantities, and the payment terms. The formal tone may be too formal for modern business communication, and the closing sentence assumes order placement without the further encouragement or persuasive language. Okay, and next is the alternative solution. I have a full solution to this problem. Solution A, emphasize unique selling point, explain the benefit of natural ingredients such as environmental or healthy benefit or the certifications. Solution B, include the specific about new feature. Explain the purpose of the scratch and snip samples and they feed the inclusions. Solution C, include the particle ordering detail, provide more information about delivery, pricing, and order term for the easier purchase decisions. And solution D is a use a personalized and persuasive approach. Customize the letter to show the understanding of the reception, business need, and encourage the action. Okay, is best solution is the solution D. Is the best approach for business communication. Is the customer centric, focusing on the recipient, recipient, recipient กูจะอ่านว่า recipient need นะ เอาใหม่ขออีกรอบหนึ่งตุ๋งตุ๋งตุ๋งเอ๊ะเอ๊ะจะเอ๊ะตึ้ง Okay, and next is best solution. Best solution is the solution D. Is the best approach for the business communication. Is the customer centric, focusing on the recipient needs and the challenges, and persuasive, encouraging specific action. Is the modern communication standard, favoring conversational tone and a clear call to action. Make it more effective in the building relationships. This approach will reduce uncertainty and improve engagement. And the last one is the conclusion. Sunshine flavor later to Mem Susan Duffer effectively provide a catalog and a playlist highlighting product features like a natural ingredients and scratch and snip samples. However, it could be improved.
Case 3. Clocking in machine and timekeeping. Background. The corporation has been dealing with timekeeping concern among its employees, particularly extend lunch break and protect absence without sufficient coverage. This had raised worries regarding worker motivation and efficiency. The management is considering adopting clock-in machines to track employee attendance better properly, but there is opposition from employees who believe such measures undercut their honesty and professionalism. Problem: the key difficulty is balancing the need for accountability in timekeeping while also retaining employee confidence and morale. While some employees may take advantage of the absence of supervision, implementing a stringing clock-in system may breed animosity and undermine enthusiasm. There is also a risk that management's activities would be misunderstood as cost-cutting rather than in increased overall efficiency. Alternative solution A. Use clocking in machine for all employees, provide accurate tagging but may harm trust and morale. B. Introduce flexible work schedule. Allow employees to manage their time while being productive, but can be challenging to standardize across departments. C. Conduct a timekeeping audit and address individual cases, identifies and resolves concerns on a case-by-case basis, reducing unnecessary stringency and increasing responsibility. D. Improve workplace culture and communication, encourage employees to accept responsibility for time management through incentives and open talk rather than rigorous monitoring. Best solution. The ideal solution is option C because conduct a timekeeping audit and address individual cases. This approach is in determining whether timekeeping concern and widespread or restrict to individual personnel. By focusing primarily on difficult issues, the organization can increase productivity while maintaining confidence and morale among honest personnel. Furthermore, it enables a more nuanced approach rather than imposing a rigid framework on everyone. Conclusion. Extended breaks and poor timekeeping must be carefully controlled in order to strike a balance between accountability and employee morale. A full clock-in system may be too rigorous, leading to negative opinions among employees. Instead, a focused approach that identifies and deals with specific concerns on individual basis is a more effective and equitable way to enhance time management while maintaining employee trust.
Case 4. Central Computer and Semco Operation Management Teamwork. Background. Semco has quartered in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Produces pump, diffuser, and conditioning unit. Because of this unit's management approach, the organization has received extensive media notice and interest from other corporations. Unlike typical firms, Semco had eliminated hierarchical system, allowing individuals to make cyclical decisions, set their own compensation, and work with complete autonomy. This innovative strategy had resulted in high productivity gain, higher earnings, and overall corporate success. Problem. The company's unusual organizational structure provides both benefits and challenges. While autonomy promotes innovation and involvement, the absence of traditional control systems may result in inefficiency, a lack of coordination and accountability. Difficulty. Future more firms with strong hierarchy may have difficulty adopting or interacting similar concepts successfully. Alternative solution. A. Maintain a traditional corporate structure to ensure unambiguous responsibility, consistent decision-making, and operational control. B. Hybrid model because implementing a balance of autonomy and traditional oversight can provide flexibility while maintaining stability. C. Full decentralization because implementing a self-managed system such as a Semco model empower employees and stimulate innovate, but if necessitates a significant culture shift and thought. D. Gender implementation because by experimenting with autonomy in strength, organization can assess the effectiveness of such a model without entirely disrupting operation. Best solution. The ideal solution is option B, hybrid model by Semco. An orthodox strategy has worked well for them. Not all organizations can thrive without the hierarchy. A hybrid model enables business to Encourage employee autonomy wherever possible by preserving the required managerial control to ensure efficiency and accountability. This method promotes creativity and incentive without fully demolishing control system. Conclusion: Simple creative management approach demonstrate how employee liberty may lead to increased productivity and business success. However, this model may not be too suitable for all organizations. A balanced hybrid strategy which combines autonomy with structure, control, and efficient way from businesses to upgrade their processes while remaining stable.
Case 5 Broadway Autos Background Broadway Auto are subsidiary of Broadway International Inc. make battery powered electric automobile while the car bodywork are manufactured in-house. Crucial components such as battery, motor, and wheel are acquired elsewhere. The organization has built solid supplier connection throughout the years. Problem: Broadway Autos is experiencing supply challenges with its lightweight battery supplier and an urgent order of 4,800 units must be fulfilled by January 15, 1999. In addition, Eco-Rise, a crucial supplier, is closing a manufacturing, which might further disrupt the supply chain. Alternative solution: A. Continue using Eco-Rise because they are an existing provider. Keeping the relationship may prevent immediate interruption. B. Switch to Recency because they are a prospective new supplier that could provide competitive price and consistent delivery. C. Diversify supplier because depending on several suppliers lower the likelihood of shortage and production delay. D. Stockpile battery because having a larger inventory allows product to continue even if supplier fail. Best solution: The ideal solution is option C. Diversify the vendor to avoid future shortage. Broadway Autos should not rely on just one supplier. While continuing to cooperate with Eco-Rise, they should test legacy battery and look into other sources to maintain a solid supply chain. This relies on a single provider and mitigates large disruption if a supply fails. Conclusion: Broadway Auto should not rely primarily on Eco-Rise following the factory shutdown. Diversifying suppliers such as Recency will reduce risk while assuring a consistent battery supply. Maintaining a stock buffer can also assist prevent disruption. This action will help production run smoothly and achieve delivery deadlines.
Case 6 Managing Cash Flow Background: Managing cash flow is an important part of running a business, particularly for small businesses. Customer-late payments cause financial instability and operational issues for many organizations. Cash flow issues develop when firms don't receive payments on time, causing challenge in paying suppliers, employees, and other obligations. Problem: Late payments may affect the company's liquidity and financial health. According to the article, firms may have to wait up to 12 weeks for payments, causing disruption in cash flow and operations. Companies who don't manage their cash flow properly risk running up debt, losing supplier trust, and going out of business. Alternative solution A. Assess customer credit risks. Before providing goods or service on credit, businesses should evaluate customer credit readiness and set appropriate credit limits. B. Clearly state credit terms. Payment deadlines and interest charged for late payments should be explicitly mentioned on invoices. C. Request advance payments. Asking for partial payments in advance can help reduce financial risks. D. Follow up on payments. Regular reminder via fax, email, or calls can prevent invoices from being overlooked. Best solution. The ideal solution is option A. Credit risk assessment, clear credit terms, and proactive follow-ups is the most effective approach. By evaluating customer credit worthiness, setting clear payment conditions, and requesting partial payments in advance, business can minimize financial risks. Additional consistent follow-up help ensure timely payments, improving overall cash flow stability. Conclusion: cash flow management is critical to business sustainability. Businesses can reduce the risks associated with the late payment by implementing effective credit management systems, utilizing financial tools such as factoring and credit insurance, and maintaining open contact with their customers. Ensuring timely financial inflow allows businesses to retain sustainability, pay bills, and invest for growth.
Case 7. Pacific International Delivery Problem. Background: Pacific International, a manufacturing company, placed an order with Ocean Wheel Supplies in New Jersey for specialized components. The order, consisting of 120 boxes of product number 231, was scheduled for delivery on May 30, 1995. However, by June 5, 1995, the shipment had no airlift, and there had been on communication from Ocean Wheel Supplies. This delay concerned Pacific International's packing staff, particularly because it occurred on a Friday afternoon, making it more difficult to fix the issue before the weekend. Problem: the main issue is a supply chain failure. Since the supplier did not deliver the order on time and did not offer any status updates. This caused because manufacturing delays, financial losses, and significant disruptions in customer commitments. Furthermore, addressing the issue on a Friday afternoon is difficult, as many firms may not reply until the following week. Alternative solution: A. Immediate contact with supplier because call Ocean Wheel Supplies directly and demand an explanation. Request urgent shipment and ask for a tracking number to confirm the shipment status. B. Escalate the issue because if the supplier is unresponsive, escalate the complaint to a higher authority within their company or issue a formal complaint warning of potential penalties for delivery. C. Seek an alternative supplier because if the delay continues or on response is received, find another supplier who can fulfill the order quickly to prevent production delays. D. Negotiate compensation because request discounts of refunds for late delivery and ensure that future contracts include penalties for delays to prevent similar issues. Best solution. The ideal solution is option A. Immediately contact the supplier, as it enables Pacific International to swiftly identify the source of the delay and advocate for an expected resolution. If the supplier liaises and commits to an immediate reply, production disruption can be reduced. If they do not respond satisfactorily, the next step should be solution B, escalation. Conclusion. Supply chain delays can have a substantial influence on manufacturing processes. In this instance, the best initial move is to contact the supplier and request a prompt settlement. If no response is received, consider escalating the matter or exploring alternate supplies. To avoid such problems, business should negotiate explicit contract terms, including fines for late deliveries, to ensure supplier accountability. Case 8. Cadbury and new technology. Background. Cadbury has been modifying its chocolate production facilities, basically at its Blenville factory in the UK. This modernization effort, which began in 1980, intends to combine new processing technology with more efficient production practices. The goal is to improve efficiency, quality, and overall production capacity while adhering to high standards. Problem. Before the modernization, the chocolate manufacturing process was inefficient due to obsolete machinery and manual processor. As a result, production speeds were slowed, labor expense increased, and product quality may have been inconsistent. Additionally, packing necessitated manual handling, resulting in inefficiencies and decreased output. Alternative solutions. A. Maintain existing machinery and processes because this would keep operations stable but limit improvements in efficiency and productivity. B. Partially automate certain processes because automation selectively, reducing inefficiencies in critical areas while retaining some manual processes. C. Fully automate production and packing because implement new mechanically centralized control systems and automate packing plans to maximize productivity and minimize manual labor. D. Expand workforce instead of automation because hire more workers to manage increasing production demands while maintain traditional methods. Solution. The ideal solution is option C. Fully automating production and packing is the best option. Cadbury can considerably boost production capacity, improve quality control, and cut costs by implementing modern machinery, automate control systems, and high-speed packing technologies. The Whisper plant, for example, currently produces 1,680 bars every minute, while the new cream egg machine can create up to 370 million eggs annually. Furthermore, computer-controlled operations maintain precision while minimize errors and waste. Conclusion: Cadbury's modernization effort has successfully taken inefficiencies in chocolate production via automation and technical breakthroughs. The new high-speed packing technology and centralized control operations increase output, reduce labor dependency, and improve product quality. The change guarantees long-term success and competitiveness in the chocolate sector.